Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the worksheet 3 of natural numbers and whole numbers, isn't it? Now coming to the 5th question, subtract the following and check your answer by the corresponding addition. So first we have to subtract and check by addition. So the number is 29,435 minus 17,005. So 29435 minus 17005. Now subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. 4 minus 0 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now the addition. So for that, this we will take it up. Remember, last year we have done it, isn't it? So 12430. Now plus this you will be writing in the same place. So 17005. When you add, you have to get this number. 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 0, 4, 2 plus 7, 9, 1 plus 1, 2. Did you get the same number? Yes. Then your subtraction is correct. Now, it is 1 lakh minus 62,581. So, you remember how to subtract, because it is 0, directly go to 1, cut 1, write 0, go to the right, cut 0, write 10, cut 10, write 9, go to the right, cut 0, write 10, it's 9, again 9, again 9, now it will be 10, isn't it? Cut 0 and write 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3. Now take this number to the first line, that is 37419 plus, write this as it is, 62581. Now add 9 plus 1, 10, 1 plus 1, 2, plus 8, 10, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 plus 7, 8, plus 2, 10, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. You got the same number, 1 lakh. Hope you understood this. Now coming to, these are all the last year topics, the ordinary, subtraction and addition. Now 1 minus 2 not possible, go to the left, cut 9, write 8, go to the right, cut 1, write 11, 11 minus 2 is 9, 8 minus 1 is 7, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3. Take it up, 30179 plus 45512, 9 plus 1, 2, 11, 1 plus 7, 8, 9, 1 plus 5, 6, 0 plus 5, 5, 3 plus 4, 7. Same number you got. Now coming to the question number D, 6 minus 6, 0, 2 minus 3 not possible, go to the left, cut 4, write 3, cut 2, write 12, 12 minus 3 is 9, 3 minus 2, 1, 7 minus 1, 6, 7 minus 7, 0. Now take 6190. Now you have to be careful. This is a 4-digit number. Now this is 5-digit number. So we have to start from one step left, isn't it? 7, 1, 2, 3, 6. So better be careful whenever the number of digits is different. You have to arrange it properly. 0 plus 6, 6. 9 plus 3 is a 12. 1 plus 1, 2, plus 2, 4. 6 plus 1, 7 and 7. We got 7, 7, 4 to 6. Is it okay? Now coming to the question number 6. In a school, the number of students is 5637. If 142 students took admission during that year, find the total number of students in the school. What's the meaning? Already 5637 students were there and 142 new students took the admission. So total number of students is how much? तो पहले 5637 स्टूडेंट्स थे और ये साल एक्स्ट्रा नए 142 स्टूडेंट्स आए. अभी कितने टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स है? तो सॉल्यूशन स्टेटमेंट ऑलरेडी लिख के रखी हूँ. सो आप लोगों को ये स्टेटमेंट लिखने का है. द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन द स्कूल इज हाउ मच? 5, 6, 3, 7. 142 students took admission. Number of students who took admission is 142. Arrange it properly. Now total number of students. तो क्या करने का है हमें? एडिशन है ना. टोटल नंबर फाइंड आउट करने के लिए एडिशन. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 6 plus 1 is 7 and this 5. So you can do the addition here only, otherwise show 5637 plus 142 and then on the right hand side you have to show the method. The total number of students in the school is 5779. Understood? So these are the word problems, isn't it? So remember, till 5th standard you learn all the basics, where you have to do the addition, where we have to do the subtraction and all. Then in higher classes we will be learning the new topics. So you have to be confident of the earlier topics. Okay. Now coming to the question number 7. The price of the car is rupees 3,76,866. If it is increased by 42,049 rupees, find the new price of the car. मतलब पहले उसका प्राइस कितना था? कॉस्ट 3,76,866. अभी थोड़ा बढ़ाए. कितना? 42,049 बढ़ाए. तो अभी उसका नया कॉस्ट कितना है? तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज कॉस्ट ऑफ द कार. हाउ मच? राइट, रुपीज 3,76,866. Now increased amount is how much? Rupees 42,000. So write under the thousands ones. So it is 42,049. The new cost of the car means what we have to do? Addition. So whenever the units are there, rupees, kg, meter and all. So you have to write the units. Don't forget. So now add. It is rupees. 9 plus 6 is how much? 15. 6 plus 4, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 plus 8, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 4, 30. It is 11. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. So you got 4,18,915. So the new price of the car is rupees. According to the question, we have to write the new price of the car is rupees 4,18,915. Is it clear? So that was question number 7. Now coming to the question number 8. A club organizes a trip to Disney World. The cost of the whole package is rupees 1,83,420. The club gives a discount of 47,632. What is the cost of the package after discount? सबको मालूम है डिस्काउंट सेल मतलब क्या है, कम है ना। पहले उतना वो लोग एक मार्क्ड प्राइस डालते हैं, इतना पैसा है और डिस्काउंट में इतना % डिस्काउंट और उसका अभी नया प्राइस कम रहेगा। सो मतलब डिस्काउंट मतलब कम, याद रखने का। द क्लब एक ट्रिप डिज्नी वर्ल्ड के लिए ट्रिप में जा रहे हैं और उसके लिए पैसा खर्चा कितना है टोटल 1,83,420 और उसके ऊपर वो लोग डिस्काउंट दिए 47,632 का। अब भी द पैकेज का कॉस्ट कितना रहेगा आफ्टर द डिस्काउंट। सो डिस्काउंट मतलब सब्ट्रैक्ट, याद रखने का। सो द कॉस्ट ऑफ द पैकेज इज, पहले समझने का whether we have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Then you have to start the sum. Cost of the package is rupees 1,83,420. The discount amount is rupees 47,000. So write under the thousands period 632. Now discount है ना, so the cost of package after discount, so we have to do subtraction. So rupees 0 minus 2 not possible, go to the left, cut 2, write 1, cut 0, write 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus 3 not possible, go to the left, cut 4, write 3. Go to the right, cut 1, write 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. Now 3 minus 6 not possible. Go to the left, cut 3, write 2, cut 3, write 13. 13 minus 6 is a 3, 4, 5, 6. That is a 7. Now 2 minus 7 not possible. Go to the left, cut 8, write 7. Go to the right, cut 2, write 12. 12 minus 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 5 remains. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 1. So it is 1,35,788. Now write the answer. The cost of the package after discount is rupees 1,35,788. Hope everyone understood. So discount means subtraction. Now coming to the question number 9. Rahul deposited rupees 57,630 in the bank. After a week, he withdrew rupees 19,211. What is the current balance of Rahul's account? तो इसका मतलब क्या है, डेपोजिटेड बैंक में जमा किया है ना, जमा करने को बोलते हैं डेपोजिटेड। सो 57,630 बैंक के अकाउंट में डाल दिया। आफ्टर अ वीक, एक हफ्ते के बाद उसमें से विड्रू मतलब निकालना, 19,211 रुपीस को निकाला। अब भी करंट बैलेंस मतलब अब भी उसके अकाउंट में कितना है। तो पहले इतना डाला था, उसमें से इतना निकाला, तो अभी कितना बचा। तो निकाला मतलब क्या करने का है, सब्ट्रैक्शन। सो इट इज अमाउंट डेपोजिटेड इन द बैंक, हाउ मच इट इज, ₹57,630. Now amount withdrawn, that is ₹19,211. Now amount left in the account, we have to do subtraction. Put the unit, that is rupees. 0 minus 1 not possible, is 10 minus 1 is 9, 2 minus 1 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, 7 minus 9 not possible, so it will be 17 minus 9, 7, 8, 9 is 8. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 38,419. Okay. So the current balance in Rahul's account is rupees 38,419. Hope everyone is understanding the sums. The word problems, they are important. Now coming to the last sum, that is question number 10. A garment factory produces 33,000 trousers in every year. Out of these, 12,309 are for men, 9,538 are for women. Find the number of trousers produced for children. टोटल गारमेंट फैक्ट्री मतलब कपड़ा बनाने का, ठीक है, कपड़ों की फैक्ट्री। सो उधर टोटल हर साल में 33,000 ट्राउजर्स, ट्राउजर मतलब पैंट्स बनते हैं। उनमें से 12,309 आदमियों का है, 9,538 औरतों का है और बच्चे चिल्ड्रन का है, बच्चों का। तो बच्चों का कितना, तो इधर 3 नंबर्स दिए हैं। तो ये टोटल है, ये मैन का है, ये विमेन का है, बच्चों का फाइंड आउट करो। तो पहले क्या करने का, मैन एंड विमेन का नंबर को ऐड करने का और जो आंसर आता है उसको टोटल से सब्ट्रैक्ट करने का है, ठीक है। सो फर्स्ट विल पुट रोमन नंबर 1 नंबर ऑफ ट्राउजर्स फॉर मैन, मतलब 2 हिस्सों में करने का है ना। तो इसके लिए नंबर ऑफ ट्राउजर्स फॉर मैन कितना है, 12,309 और फॉर वीमेन इट इज 9,538। तो दोनों को ऐड करने का है। तो नंबर ऑफ ट्राउजर्स फॉर मैन एंड वीमेन, सो 9 + 8 is 17, 1 + 3 is 4, 3 + 5 is 8 and 2 + 9 is 11, 1 + 1 is 2. So you got 21,847. That is the number of trousers for men and women. ठीक है। अभी सेकेंड पार्ट में क्या होगा, टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्राउजर्स कितने हैं, 33,000। अभी मेन एंड वीमेन का कितना मिला, 21,847। सो नंबर ऑफ ट्राउजर्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन, अभी क्या करने का, सब्ट्रैक्शन। अभी इधर 0 है तो डायरेक्टली गो टू 3, so this one will be 9, here it will be 9, here it will be 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So you got 11,153. So the answer is number of trousers produced for children is 11,153. Hope everyone understood the 10 sums, isn't it, of our worksheet 3. So we have completed the full worksheet 3. I hope you have understood all the sums of worksheet 3. Okay then, bye. Thank you.